Hey guys, welcome back. Today is another day, and today what we're gonna doing is installing coilovers and putting wheels on for my friend Michael. He's on his way over here. He just barely got his car. It's a 2018 Subaru WRX, and we're gonna put his parts on, and after that we're gonna go shoot. Bring you guys along. Damn, bruh. There you go. Damn, bro. What up?
Hey, man. Oh.
Yeah.
It's a little dirty. It's a little bit.
I gotta clean it. Damn, dude. How do you like it? Better than the, what do you have before, than Present?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Alright.
Yeah, just buns.
Fuck, dude.
Yeah, I need a new powder coat, but it's okay.
Damn, you like that stretch?
Sheesh.
Damn, dude. Yeah, mine was like this too.
215s. Yeah, 225 now, but I think 215 should be cool.
Oh yeah, this is cool. They wanted me to use like a bigger tire, but I was like, dude, that shit looks ugly. So I told them, I was like, nah, I want a smaller tire, and I test fitted this size. And I was like, oh, okay. Perfect. I like it, yeah.
And yeah, 10.5.
Yeah.
See? Yeah, that should be fine.
Damn.
Hot boy wheels.
What, 4-inch lip?
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. Yeah, you'll be able to fit them, bro. No problem. Because I think I had like 5 or 5.5. I think. But then I was all the way down. Aired out.
We'll see. I mean, we'll see how low we go without the roll fenders. But
Dang, aren't you hot, bro, in those pants?
a little bit.
Alright, so we're good. Fuck! I burned myself again.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, you're
It's
good.
a hot day in Cali.
You see all the fucking, oh my god. Alright, yes, alright. I think it's this one. There you go, look, perfect size.
What is that?
3/4.
12? Oh, okay.
3/4. I mean, I don't think I have the other ones. There you go, 1, 2. And then make sure this is hot. He just drove this car right to here, so it's kind of hot, but usually you just want to pick it up and it'll just pop out.
I'll get that right now.
And, make sure to loosen them up a little bit, not all the way, or else the coil will drop. Oh, damn, how do I get that one in?
Have a hand one? Extension.
What size is this? 12? Damn, dude, I'm missing all my tools. Oh, keep this on there. 12. There you go. This is the pain in the ass. Alright then, so get these bolts, hold it up like this.
Yeah. Let me try to have, want me to try to...
No, you're good. I can do it. Make sure you get in the right hole.
Put pressure up, put a little, like, just one to, like, hold it in, right?
Yeah, you already know, bro. There you go. There you go, one more. Alright, there you go. And then we could turn the thing back on. So
Make sure it's nothing pinched.
Yeah, so this one you just... There you
Easy
go.
clip, right?
Easy clip on, and then this one just connect it back to the brake line. If you're using an impact or something, you gotta make sure to always hand thread it on first, or else you will strip the bolt. So you always want to guide it in first by hand, and then use a torque wrench or whatever you're using. And there you go. That's basically it right there. Let's do the other side and then we'll put the wheels. Damn, photo shoot right there.
Good photo shoot, Pop.
Bow. So we finally done. What do you think? What do you think?
Stop
Does it
it.
look nice? What is this? Adidas. Damn, Bow. I wish you would. Alright, I see you. I see you, Bow.
Hey, you wanna drive? Or
Yeah, let's get it. You psych? Alright, let's go. You wanna go? Oh, she can't go, huh?
I mean, I can take out the two wheels and leave it here, but I mean,
You wanna go with this? You wanna go with this?
Where?
Spin.
let's see. I gotta go.
We're gonna go on a spin. Oh, what time is it?